well done with sizzling starts last week. So this week we're going to be looking at the complication in the story. So that involves the conflict, suspense, and character development in the story. So we're going to use an analogy where we imagine that there's someone up in a tree that we're trying to knock down. So first, we're going to try using a pebble. So that's like your small problem in the story. You're going to use a pebble to try and knock the person down. At first, that doesn't knock them down, so you're going to try something a bit heavier, like a rock. So that would be your medium problem in the story. So you throw a rock at the tree, that still doesn't get the person to fall down. So you're going to need something heavier, like a boulder, and that would be your main tension scene in the story. You throw that at the tree, and that finally knocks the person down. So as you can see, as your story progresses, you're going to build up tension. So your small problem, there's a little bit of tension. Your medium problem, so the rock, there's a bit more tension. And then when you get to the boulder, that's like the climax of the story, the main tension scene. So I'm sure you've all seen Shrek, so we're going to use Shrek as an example to help you understand this. So the small problem, or the pebble in Shrek, would be when Shrek and Donkey win a tournament by mistake and they get to rescue Fiona. Then your medium problem, so the rock in the story, would be when Donkey sweet talks the dragon. Fiona is rescued but is disappointed that the Shrek is an ogre. However, as they travel home, slowly they fall in love. Then, when we get to the main tension scene, which would be the boulder, we've got Shrek overhearing Fiona's ugly beast comment. Hurt and angry, he returns to his swamp. Donkey persuades him to save Fiona. Shrek interrupts the wedding before Farquaad can kiss her. The sun sets and Fiona turns into an ogre. Farquaad orders Shrek executed. So this is the climax of the story. That's the final component of your complication. After this, you get to the resolution, but we'll talk about that more next week. We have included videos as well, YouTube clips of each of these scenes. So have a watch of those, and we'll see you guys next week.